Francisco Tiongson Duque III is a Filipino physician and government official serving as Secretary of Health since 2017 in the cabinet of President Rodrigo Duterte, a position he had previously held from 2005 to 2009 in the cabinet of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. From 2010 to 2015, he served as the chairman of the Civil Service Commission. Duque earned his high school diploma from Lord's School of Quezon City in 1974 and his bachelor's degree in zoology from the University of Santo Tomas in 1978. He then obtained his Doctor of Medicine degree from the UST Faculty of Medicine and Surgery in 1982. Duque continued his education in the United States, where he earned his Master of Science degree in Pathology from Georgetown University in 1987. It was at Georgetown where he underwent scientific training in women's health from 1985 to 1988. In 1992, Duque finished a postgraduate course on executive education Harvard School of Public Health. From 1989 to 1995, Duque served as the Dean of the College of Medicine of Lyceum Northwestern University. He also was director of the University of Pangasinan at the same time. Duque then became the administrator of the Lyceum Northwestern University General Hospital the following year and became its executive vice president the same time. He eventually stepped down from those positions in 2000. In June 2001, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo appointed Duque as president and CEO of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation year. By 2003, indigent enrollment from the NHIP initiative totaled 8 million beneficiaries. President Arroyo presented PhilHealth as a showcase of her administration's successes through the successful enrollment of 5.9 million families at 29,901,890 beneficiaries in the NHIP by 2004. On June 1, 2005, President Arroyo appointed Duque as Secretary of the Department of Health because of his efficient leadership at the helm of PhilHealth. As DO Secretary, the agency achieved many impressive breakthroughs and milestones regarding public health care that helped DO earn high approval ratings. During his tenure, the World Health Organization, St. Andrew's School mercury spill and the Ebola rest-in in pigs. On January 11, 2010, Duque was appointed as the chairman of the Civil Service Commission, Botika para sa Tambayan, Contact Center NG Bayan, and the CSC Computerized Examination System or COMEX. Under Duque's chairmanship, the CSC was conferred the Governance Trailblazer seal, after it achieved the highest compliance rating of 9.03 at the Performance Governance System Revalidator on October 14, 2011. Under his chairmanship, the CSC got the highest rating, with 98% of clients saying they were satisfied with the services they received from the CSC. Based on a Pulse Asia survey which covered the period October 24 to November 17, 2011, Duque was appointed chairman of the Government Service Insurance System by President Rodrigo Roa Duterte in 2017. As chairman, he began laying the groundwork for various reforms to strengthen the government corporation. However, barely 1 year after his appointment to GSIS, President Duterte appointed Duque as DO Secretary once more. Upon his assumption of office as DO Secretary on November 6, 2017, he became the first returning health chief of the agency since the reappointment of Health Secretary Paulino Garcia in the 1960s. Duque, as Health Secretary, has led reforms in improving the information technology system of PhilHealth to safeguard against fraudulent claims and other forms of cybercrime. Duque has also been an outspoken champion for raising vaccination rates among children and youth to combat highly contagious diseases such as polio and measles. He has urged parents, health workers, and local governments to fully participate in the synchronized polio vaccination in order to stop the disease. Duque moved for the historic passage of two major pieces of legislation, the Universally Accessible, Affordable Quality Medicine Act of 2008 and the Food and Drug Administration Law of 2009. On July 29, 2019, in his privileged speech, Senator Panfilo Lacson accused Duque of an alleged conflict of interest as Secretary of the Department of Health. Lacson claimed that the companies of Duque's siblings, Doctors Pharmaceutical and Educational and Medical Development Corporation, continued to have contracts with government agencies despite Duque taking positions in government. According to Lacson, DPI continued to earn millions of pesos from the government through the lease of an EMDC building for the use of the Philippine Health Corporation Regional Office 1 in Dagupan City. During a hearing of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee on August 14, 2019, Duque denied any conflict of interest in his part. Duque emphasized that DPI has been partnering with the government since 1946 and was already a primary provider of anti-TB vaccines by 1996, the first time he acquired shares from the company. Also, according to Duque, he has a